Hi guys, Fernando from Spark Bikes here. This video is a quick tutorial on how to assemble your Spark electric bike safely. So to start off, we're going to remove the contents of the box. We recommend getting a friend to help you out as it may be a little difficult. From here, we're going to remove all the bubble wrap and place the bike in an upright position. Inside the accessories bag, you will have all the tools and parts needed to assemble the bike. Open the toolkit and grab the correct Allen key size. We're going to start by removing the handlebar clamp located at the top front of the frame. There'll be 4 screws that you have to take out. Once the screws are taken off, you're going to align the handlebar on top of the wheel as shown in the video. It is important to ensure that it is on straight. Attach the clamp back on front, placing the screws into position and tightening them until the handlebar is secured. From here, we're going to flip the bike using the seat, back wheel and handlebars for support. Grab the front axle skewer, removing the nut from one side and then sliding it through the front wheel hub and then placing the nut on the other side to secure it. Ensure that your skewer is tight and that the lever is pointing upright and not forward. Each pedal will have an L for left and an R for right imprinted on it. It is important to align the pedals correctly to avoid damaging the threading. As an easier way of identifying the different sides, the left pedal will have striped markings near the thread and the right pedal will always be fitted on the side where the chain is located. Screw the pedal on by hand and then tighten the piece with the size 15 spanner provided. For the purpose of packaging and safety, your tires may be deflated. When pumping your tires, we recommend 45 to 60 psi. A key and charger are provided with the bike. To remove the battery, rotate the key forward and lift your battery up to remove it. The charging point for the battery is located on the opposite side. When riding, we recommend removing the key from the chamber and keeping it somewhere safe. For further information about your electric bike, please watch the attached videos.